Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace your crankshaft position sensor on a 98 Ford F150 guys. So here's your crankshaft position sensor right here, being held in with these two, I believe they are 7mm nuts. And here's our connector guys, and this is on the right side of the engine, on the passenger side guys. So let's get that out guys. I may not be able to record me pulling the nuts, but I'll catch you all when I'm pulling it out. So okay guys, it's actually a 8mm, so you can get your socket on here guys. Okay guys, so I got these studs out, so now we can just pull the crankshaft position sensor out guys, and here we go. So now I just gotta disconnect it guys and install the new one. So that's how you replace your crankshaft position sensor guys. Sorry for the background light on a 98 Ford F150. No need to remove the serpentine belt or anything like that guys, the AC compressor or anything. It's a straightforward job. All you need is a 8mm socket and a ratchet guys, preferably a deep socket. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. So here it is guys. As you can see, this truck still has the original Ford crankshaft position sensor on there. So okay guys, so here's our new camshaft position sensor, and as you can see the difference guys, as you can see on the tip there, we definitely have some residue. So let's get it installed guys. So okay guys, now we got the crankshaft position sensor in place. All we got to do is reinstall our mounting studs, connect our electrical connector and reconnect our battery guys.